This civil engineer is on a mission to shape the world. From the roads we drive on to the bridges we cross. From the buildings we work in to the water we drink. She's building the world she wants to live in. She blends math and science with innovation and creativity. She's a problem solver, an out-of-the-box, independent thinker, detail-oriented, and skilled at harnessing cutting-edge technology like drones and 3D modeling. Civil engineers keep our world moving. Gadsden State is the only community college in Alabama to offer the Civil Engineering Technology program. Complete an associate's degree or choose to earn a certificate. You'll learn everything from AutoCAD to surveying to construction applications. And in less than 2 years, you'll have the skills to build your career, build your future, build the world you want to live in.